All right, today we're continuing to tear into the old LS, the Hydrolocked LS. I got Michael here to help me. Hi, Michael.
So,
You didn't come here today. We're gonna get the old motor mounts off, or I should say the new motor mounts off, take the timing chain cover off, but most important, we're gonna get this oil pan off there and see how bad the damage is.
I'm gonna go with the metric
Yeah.
impact.
Yeah, that's tighter.
I better what? Lock washer. It's like metal shapes come off of them.
Yeah, they were doing lock washer things. Because they should, right? They should
Grind together and stick.
Keep that bolt from spinning. Want a bag and label that stuff. Yeah, so there's a flange. Your bottom one out.
Neither of them are. Both of them are loose.
I'm gonna try and jiggle it out.
All right.
I'm gonna try here. Oh, she came out real.
Okay, where?
That was easy.
Okay.
There's no science there. There's shims. There you go. Just sit on the mat. Sorry, I should have helped you.
It's all right.
All right, that's the hydraulic throwout bearing that you're looking at there. We'll just have to be careful with the throwout bearing. Once we get it out, I'll put it somewhere where it won't get boogered up. So, oh, they feel pretty tight. Those have lock washers on them.
They're pretty tight.
Yeah,
But not as tight as the other ones.
yeah, it's all torqued. Whatever the instructions said. Yeah, there's two dowels that hold that in right here, so it won't just fall off.
Oh.
I say that just before it won't fall. Yeah, you should have to walk it off a little. This was snug getting on too. Just watch that.
What is that?
That's the throwout bearing. Sorry, it'll be fine.
The hold of it.
Yeah, you gotta jiggle it off these dowels. So you just shake it like you are. Yeah, over by there. There we go.
Yep.
There we go. Just a little.
You got it.
There we go. All right.
What is that?
This is what will keep it from spinning.
Is that made for this?
Yes.
What?
My dad had it. Yeah. Ready? Go ahead. That's what it's for.
That's crazy.
Yep.
That should be good enough, I think.
I'm waiting for parts to go clunk clunk inside. It's not, surprisingly.
We're out, basically.
Just don't let that clutch fall. Yeah. There we go. Yep. That's all right. Cool. This is the socket that I was just using to try and get that damper bolt off, that balancer bolt off this LS motor. And you can see there's daylight. Yeah, herein lies the problem. Let's give that another shot with this one. Yeah, we'll see if we have better luck. Much better. Huh.
There's a piece in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
There's a lot of pieces in there. Ooh, that's not good. We'll add it to the collection.
Yeah.
Add to the collection of other pieces. That's a big chunk. It's got a yeah, oof. Luckily it didn't take out the pickup because that came with the oil pan. So I missed that, which is good. Just, yeah, and this probably kept it from killing the oil pan. So what side would that be? Make sure there's no damage in the pan. That would be over here.
Left, yeah, the back left.
Yeah. No, because the pan's now worth more than the motor is. All right, let's get the pickup out of there and some windage tray off. And I'll be modifying the other windage tray that's in the other motor. I was hoping I could reuse this because I cut it real nice, but looks like no. This is a critical seal in here too, because this is the seal they're infamous for going bad, and then you don't have good oil pressure, and you kill the motor. It'll be easier to get off too. Because this one needs to go on with the. I don't want to drop them. This is for the pickup tube.
It's ruined.
Yeah.
It's ruined.
Oh yeah. Again, it saved my oil pan. Look at here, here. It ran for 3 seconds. And bam, 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 bam. I shut it off. That was the bamming.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. That's not connected. That feels nice and tight. A couple little pieces. So I lose one or two. Okay, there's the. That's a bummer. Had a guy at work ask me, could really hydrolocking cause that much damage?
Wow.
Yeah, it causes that much damage.
Wow. So where's the? There it is. It's in there.
More pieces. Can you see in there?
Yeah. There's. See there half of the rod down there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, it scored the inside of the cylinder.
I didn't see that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, bummer. This was a good motor. All right then. Was it just the one?
Kind of looks like it.
Because we had two that were filling up with gas. What was the other one that was filling up with gas?
I don't remember.
I'm curious if any of these others have been. Let's spin it around once. I'll put a bolt back in here and let's spin it around once. All right, so this concludes the teardown of the hydrolocked motor. You can see here that there's a window where there shouldn't be a window. Let's see if I can get that in focus. You can see that there's a window where there shouldn't be a window. There we go. Now we're in focus. Yeah, right here. God, this was a good motor.